What you're about to see is the restoration work being performed at the Kanan Dune Road tunnels in Malibu, California. These existing tunnels, TS2 and TS3, were built back in the late 1960s. During original construction, portions of these tunnels were lined with steel liners. These steel liners prevented the exposed earth from releasing overhead, either caused by earthquake or normal settlement. Portions of these tunnels did not have any steel liner, were left in its natural earthen state. Over the years, these steel liners have been subjected to water. The water leaches from the natural earthen surface overhead and results in rusting of the steel liner. When these tunnels were originally constructed, it was not unusual to just rely on this steel liner. But today, advances in product development have changed the way architects and engineers can design difficult situations. Just as our technology has advanced in most all industries, it has also advanced in the construction industry. With this in mind, the engineers from the County of Los Angeles had options on how they could design a waterproofing system to be installed over the natural earthen surface prior to the installation of the new steel liners. They chose to design a PVC thermoplastic membrane. The PVC membrane would serve as the primary membrane to address the issue of water infiltration into the tunnel. The final design was to apply a thin layer of shotcrete over the natural earthen surface. Then a heavy, non-woven geotextile was installed over the shotcrete to provide a suitable surface for the PVC membrane. Once the geotextile was installed to the earthen surface and secured by fasteners, the PVC thermoplastic membrane was installed. The product selected for this installation was a 60 mil, 1.5 millimeter thick PVC membrane. The geotextile and the PVC membrane were both products manufactured by HydroGuard. HydroGuard provided both the Hydro Ultramat, which is the geotextile, and also the 60 mil PVC membrane product, which is called HydroProof. Because tunnels have a unique shape and have elevated conditions such as the ceilings, access for men and equipment are somewhat of a challenge and differ from normal construction projects. In this case, Troyer Contracting, along with its scaffold partner, California Access, developed a scaffolding platform that would serve its needs and also be very mobile. Inherently, tunnel work is considerably more difficult than conventional construction. This is because almost all work is performed overhead. Once the HydroProof 60 mil PVC membrane is fastened over the geotextile membrane, utilizing an induction welder, the seams of the HydroProof membrane are welded together with a wedge welder. When the HydroProof PVC membrane is complete and inspected, the waterproofing portion is complete and the steel liner can proceed.